In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count cells in Google Sheets by color. This task can be incredibly useful, especially if you're dealing with large data sets where visual categorization helps in quick identification of specific criteria. Let's dive right in. To start off, we'll need access to Google Sheets. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Sheets website. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so with your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your existing spreadsheets. Next, select the spreadsheet that contains the data you want to work with or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Once inside your chosen spreadsheet, it's important to apply some color coding through conditional formatting. This is a key step because it allows us to visually distinguish different sets of data, which we can then count. Within Google Sheets, select the range of cells you want to apply color to. Go to the Format menu and choose Conditional Formatting. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will apply a single color to our selected range. Choose your preferred shade from the palette and set the condition you want the color to apply to. Once you've set everything, don't forget to hit the green Done button. Your specified cells should now be clearly marked with color, signaling that you're ready for the next steps. Now, we get to the crux of the task, counting these colored cells. First, click on a cell where you'd like the result to appear. Here, we will create an essential formula to accomplish the task. In this cell, type in the function xCOUNTIF, followed by an opening parenthesis. You'll need to specify the range of cells you want to evaluate. So, go ahead and highlight those colored cells on your spreadsheet. Remember, what we're counting here is the visual presence of color, not any numerical or textual data within the cells. Thus, after highlighting your range, insert a comma and then a pair of quotes with nothing inside them after the comma. This signifies to Google Sheets that you are counting based on format, not content. Finish your formula with a closing parenthesis and hit Enter. You'll see that the cell now displays the count of cells that meet the color criteria you've established. This trick is really useful for quickly quantifying data segments without the need for extensive filtering or additional columns. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to count cells by color in Google Sheets, a simple yet powerful tool for data management and analysis. As you become more comfortable with this method, you'll find it opens up a world of possibilities for streamlining and optimizing your data handling practices. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more handy Google Sheets tips.